very happy morning to my dear children. This is Fancy Jose from Mount Carmel School. Today I am here with class 5th mathematics. This is our Max book, Inspired Max, and this is of class 5th. So we are continuing our chapter 5, factors and multiples. In this video, we are going to learn first prime factors. What are prime factors? Factors of a number which are prime are called its prime factors. Factors of a number which are prime are called its prime factors. Here we can see this example, factors of 36. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. In this you have to find out the prime factors, only the prime factors. Here only two prime numbers are there, that is 2 and 3. What are the prime numbers in this? 2 and 3. So prime factors of 36 are 2 and 3. Okay. A number can be written as a product of its prime factors. That is, all the numbers we can write as a product of its prime factors. Here you have seen that the prime factors of 36 are 2 and 3. So you can write 36 as a product of 2 and 3. So we will see how to write this. That is, 36 is equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay, so we can write the numbers as a product of their prime factors. This we are called as prime factorization method. Okay, what is prime factorization? A factorization in which every factor is prime is called prime factorization of the number. Clear? Next, when a number is written as a product of its prime factors, it is said to be completely factorized. If you are writing a number as a product of its prime factors, that is, we have written here 36 as a product of its prime factors, so then we will call 36 is completely factorized. 36 is completely factorized. Here you can see some of the examples. The prime factorization of 48, 21 and 25. Here 48 as a product of prime factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Here 21 only 2 prime factors, 3 7s are 21, 25 5 into 5. Clear? This is prime factors. Next we will see what are co-primes. Co-primes. Two numbers are co-prime if they have only one as the common factor. Two numbers are co-prime if they have only one as the common factor. Here 5 and 12 are co-prime. 5 and 12 are co-prime. So we will see the prime factors of 5. I will show you. Factors of 5 are 5 into 1 is 5. So it is having only two factors, 1 and 5. Next, factors of 12. Factors of 12 is 1 into 12 is 12, 2 into 6 is also 12 and 3 into 4 is also 12. So here the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. But what are the common factors? What are the common factors in this? Common factor is only 1. Here common factor for 5 and 12 are only 1. So we can write 5 and 12 are co-primes. We will call 5 and 12 are co-primes. Clear? What are co-primes? Two numbers are co-prime if they have only one as the common factor. So we have seen 5 and 12. But here 8 and 15 are not co-prime because they have common factors 1 and 3. Clear? Next we will see finding prime factors of a number. How to find these prime factors of a number? Prime factors of a number can be found by repeated division by prime numbers. Okay, we will do the repeated division until we get a prime number. So here we will see two examples are there. We will see this. I will show you how to find the prime factors of 60. Prime factors. How to find the prime factors of 60. So first you write 60. This method is known as long division method. So we are dividing the number with only with prime numbers, not with all the numbers, only with the prime numbers until till you reach a prime number. That is what is the smallest prime number is 2. So we will start with 2. Here 32s are 60. Again with 2, 15 2s are 30. Again with 2 it is not possible because it is 15. So we will take the next prime number. What is the next prime number? Next prime number is 3. 3 5s are. So finally we are getting 5. 5 as the quotient and 5 is a prime number. If you are getting in the last step is prime number, then we will stop here. So what are the prime factors of 60? The prime factors of 60 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is the prime factorization of 60. Clear? So we will see once again. Divide the first prime number by 2. Go on dividing by 2 until the quotient is not divisible by 2. Continue until the quotient is a prime number. Here we have seen that 60. We have started with the smallest prime number 2. Then again 2. Now it is not divisible by 2. So we have taken the next prime number, that is 3. Now 3 5s are 15. We got 5 as the quotient and this is a prime number. If you are getting a prime number as a quotient, then you can stop the long division. So our answer is prime factorization of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Clear? Okay. Next we will see factor tree. That is the prime, and this is one more method to find out the prime factors, that is factor tree method. First, this method is known as long division method and next method is factor tree. So we will see this. Prime factors of a number can also be found by factorizing in a pictorial form called a factor tree. Prime factors of a number can also be found by factorizing in a pictorial form is called a factor tree. So let us see what is a factor tree. Here you have to find the prime factors of a 48 by factor tree method. Factor tree method. So in this method you are keep factorizing until you are getting all the prime numbers. Okay, so we will start this. First you write here 48 and divide factorizing it. Okay, give two branches. 2 into 24 is 48. So 2 is a prime number. Prime numbers to be encircled. Okay, prime numbers to be encircled. So this is prime number. So no need further division. Now we will divide this, factorizing 24 again. that is 2 into 12 is 24. This is a prime number, so circle it, and again 12 you have to factorize. 12 you can write as 2 into 6. Okay, 6 2s are 12. Again 6 you have to factorize. 2 into 3. So here you got 3 is also a prime number. So if you are getting all till the last step, you have to see that if finally if you are getting a prime number, then you can stop here. Now 3 is a prime number, so you don't have to factorize. So what is the prime factorization of 48? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is whichever we have encircled, that is what all are the prime numbers. Okay. So prime factorization of 48 by the method factor 3 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is the prime factorization of 48. Clear? So in the next exercise, I will show you more questions. Okay, hope this video was clear to you all. Thank you all of you.